Hello, what is up, you guys? I'm Valesews. I'm the creator of this channel. Nice to meet everybody. I'm camera shy, so this would be the first time I'm talking. Today I wanted to do an unboxing video for I Buy Direct. This is not sponsored though. So I really needed new glasses. I've actually bought glasses from them in the past and I've really liked them. So I needed to get like a new pair for the new prescription. So let's go. Safety first. It's kind of raining. Let's go with the smaller one first, or the bigger one. Ooh. So pretty though. Because these are the Palo Alto ones. See how they look. It's like super pretty. Gives me like John Lennon vibes and Steve Jobs. They are rimless and round. And they come in this really pretty case. They always send a little. Well, what do you guys think though? So cute. I like both. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these glasses. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, you should subscribe if you like this content, and please give a thumbs up. So thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.